Hey guys, David here and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, we've got another amazing show for you today. Big time rumors fly of Goldman Sachs and XRP hand in hand. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, one thing that we know that this space is not short of, that is speculation and rumor. And boy, have we ever been hearing some big ones as of late, and today is no exception. Now guys, just check this article out right over here. Goldman Sachs and XRP partnership. World Economic Forum member spotlights rumors. Now, guys, this rumor is coming out of somebody who is in the know. So we should actually take a look at it and pay a little bit of attention. But guys, I'm going to talk to you about some other stuff happening in this space that is really quite amazing. Now, listen to this right here. Sean Orgel, a member of the World Economic Forum, recently raised awareness about rumors suggesting a potential announcement regarding an alliance between XRP, Hedera Hashgraph, HBAR, and Goldman Sachs. While Sean acknowledged that it was just a rumor and stated that he was gathering more evidence, he did not provide any concrete foundation for the speculation, but he throws it out there on X. And guys, this is the kind of stuff that we see big time in these bull runs. You want to see FUD in the opposite direction when they want to pile people in like crazy. Guys, it's this kind of stuff that certainly comes out, because when we're in the bear market, boy, big news announcement like this, you don't hear them so much. This has got me speculating for sure. Because guys, we know that Lehman Beard and Brad Garlinghouse, Lehman Beard, the CEO of Hedera Hashgraph, and Brad Garlinghouse have definitely been having meetings together along with Charles Hoskinson. That is a fact. And we also know that Goldman Sachs is heavy into this digital asset space in a lot of ways. And of course, the World Economic Forum, when you go onto their website, boy, do they ever talk about this distributed ledger technology space big time. Now you got a member of the WEF themselves coming out and saying this? Wow. Nevertheless, his tweet has sparked interest within the crypto community, especially among XRP Army. Many expressed excitement that something big may be coming for XRP. Well, guys, I do believe something big is coming for XRP, whether it's with a collaboration with Hedera Hashgraph, Cardano, the WEF, or not. I really do see that XRP, its use case, utility, and ecosystem is going to take a major bite out of this global economy when we move into this new digital system. Now, listen to this right here. To fuel the speculation, some have pointed to a past conversation between Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, of course, and Hedera co-founder Lehman Beard, which we just mentioned, during which they discussed a possible blockchain collaboration. So you can see where there's smoke, people are trying to say there's fire. However, while Ripple and Hedera may have some connection, the potential involvement of Goldman Sachs in such a partnership remains unconfirmed as of press time. And guys, that's what we do not know. And why I'm pointing this out is I want you to see the narrative. When we're in the bear market, and things are as cheap as can be, boy, the amount of fear, uncertainty, and doubt that's thrown at it is crazy. But when we get into a bull market, guys, what happens to the narrative? Wow, it all of a sudden changes, where it's all this positive possibility and all this and that. Guys, for this kind of stuff, you want to wait and see. I'm not saying it's not true. What I'm saying is it has not been substantiated as true. And this is one of the telltale signs to me that we are really humming along. Now, the positive thing out of this is it is an indicator of where we are in this cycle. Boy, is it ever starting to heat up big time. Now, meanwhile, this speculation coincided with news that Goldman Sachs is pursuing new ventures in the blockchain space. Goldman Sachs' latest move in crypto. Yesterday, Bloomberg reported that Goldman Sachs Group is in the talks with potential partners to spin off its digital asset platform. Surprise, surprise, into an independent entity when these are the same people that for so long literally poo-pooed this space and on and on and on. It is truly wild. Now, this new entity would focus on enabling large financial institutions to create, trade, and settle financial products using blockchain technology. Well, guys, what did we see Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, which has way more assets under management than Goldman Sachs, in fact, I think 13 trillion. Well, he was talking about the next evolution of this market. Of course, these markets, all of these securities, is the tokenization of securities. And that's what we're talking about right here. It's to enable large financial institutions to create, trade, and settle financial products using blockchain. Well, what are you talking about there? You're talking about real world asset tokenization. That's what you're talking about there. Whether there's a collaboration or not, guys, they are pulling all of these strings together and they're showing what's coming down the road. Now, for context, Goldman Sachs established its digital assets platform in 2022 to facilitate the issuing of traditional financial products via blockchain. Since then, the platform has been involved in several high-profile transactions, including bonds for the European Investment Bank. While the new independent entity will eventually own the platform, Goldman Sachs will retain its digital assets team and continue to expand its broader operations in the digital assets sector. Essentially, this newly announced move from Goldman Sachs has no direct connection to Ripple or XRP right there. But what doesn't have connection to it may not be a direct collaboration to be sure. But guys, you can definitely see where this digital asset space is going. And there are only very, very few ecosystems that can handle the kind of traffic they're talking about. And of course, Hedera Hashgraph is one of those. XRP is one of those. XLM is one of those. But there are not that many. And so although it may not be direct, guys, you can see the linkages. The handwriting is on the proverbial wall. Now listen to this right here. Meanwhile, Ripple and Hedera do have some established connections. In May, XRP Ledger Labs and Ripple joined Hedera and other industry leaders as founding members of the DREC Alliance. Now, the DREC protocol aims to simplify the recovery and security of digital assets, accounts, and private keys by enabling users to securely recover secrets through a network of trusted helpers. Well, what does that tell you right there, guys? I'm going to tell you what it tells me. It tells me that they are building the infrastructure for this new digital economy where, look, you're going to probably see self-custody change in a massive way because a lot of people, look, have been really hurt by losing their keys, all this and that. Well, guys, this is for institutions and it's going to become available to retail. I genuinely believe it. We are seeing the build out of the infrastructure for this digital space in a powerful way. Now, additionally, in September, Ripple and Hedera became founding members of Mica Crypto Alliance. Now, Mica Crypto Alliance was to help institutional clients become compliant with the EU Markets Asset Mica regulation. And here it is. Of Mica Crypto Alliance, which aims to help blockchain projects comply with the EU's market. As part of this alliance, the two companies will collaborate to meet Mica's requirements for transparency, consumer protection, and sustainability, particularly concerning climate impact disclosures for crypto service providers. Well, guys, if Ripple or XRP, of course, and Hedera, those two ledgers are being used to help onboard all of these institutional clients. Don't you think that they have a way of saying, hey, we can bring you in. This is how they do it. And are they not going to use their own digital distributed ledger technology platforms to enable these institutional clients to become compliant? You had better believe they surely are. Now, while rumors about a potential partnership between XRP, Hedera, and Goldman Sachs have generated excitement in the crypto community, there is currently no concrete evidence to support the speculation right there. Goldman Sachs' recent move to spin off its digital assets platform is unrelated to Ripple or XRP. However, Ripple and Hedera continue to collaborate on various initiatives in the blockchain space. Well, guys, when you have members of the WEF coming out themselves and really just starting these rumors. Guys, I'm telling you, that is a litmus test to know where we are in this cycle. We are past the belief phase, guys. We're getting into the thrill phase, and it won't be much longer. It's going to be the euphoria phase. This is an indicator, true or not. It is this kind of news that comes out to really bolster the market and the bullishness of everything. And of course, we are seeing major development right from Goldman Sachs, right from Ripple, right from Hedera, all of these regulations worldwide. Guys, you cannot print this paper any clearer than what it is in black and white. It is right there. And for me, I'm telling you, does it ever make me feel major bullish? Even though these have not been substantiated, guys, it's the environment, it's the temperature. That's what we use this for, to gauge where we are in the cycle. And boy, I'll tell you what, I think we're right ready to blow this thing absolutely right through the atmosphere. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as always, it's not financial advice, it's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe and drop your comments right down there in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.